is the Builderall business area. When we click that area, now this is if they're affiliates, they're going to have access to a lot of things in here. The first one is the dashboard. This is critical to a new affiliate, that they understand the things that they're looking at in this dashboard. So I'm going to go through the important things. The first one is the affiliate level. This determines how much money they're going to make, right? And how many levels they earn that money on. So they need to know what affiliate level they are, so they start understanding how much money they're going to make. Then you need to make sure that you have a link to the affiliate commission video, so they understand the levels and how much money they can earn on those levels. The next one, they need to know their sponsor. So right here is where they find out where their sponsor is. Right here is where they find out where their ID is. This is going to be important if they start learning how to use that magic funnel, because then they can put their affiliate ID in the magic funnel and they get credit for who they sign up through that affiliate funnel. So that's really important. The next one is the main affiliate link. This is the link they can use to be able to get people to join under them. So this is their main one, and they can copy this link and share it, and whoever signs up under that link, they'll get credit for. And that just sends them to the builderall.com website with their affiliate link, so they get credit for the lead. So this area right here is A1, number one important for new affiliates, so they start understanding where to look for their affiliate level and their affiliate information. The next one is this area right here, where they start learning about the money that they make. Now, of course, everything's going to be zeros when they start because they haven't earned anything yet, but that's okay. They'll get direct sales commission listed right here. They get recurring direct sales commission listed right here. Also, the retention bonus right here. Again, they'll understand all this if you send them the link to the affiliate compensation video that's on the Builderall USA YouTube channel. So that's another one that needs to be on your list of things you give to new people. Then as they start having customers that remain in Builderall, it will show how many people they have in month 1 of the cycle, month 2, and month 3. And all of those are going to lead to that retention bonus right there. And then, of course, we want to be monitoring our car bonus, because remember, for every 690 points that we get, we're going to be able to get a $50 car bonus. That's huge. Then we can monitor our earnings. So we have our earnings right here that are pending review, available, requested, paid, and then the points. And all of that's important because this is where we start the process of being able to request our money and then get paid every Thursday. So we want to teach our people to request their payment early Wednesday, usually before noon. And if you request your money before noon on Wednesday, then you'll typically get paid the next day on Thursday. The next one is the car bonus. We want to make sure that we are teaching them to watch that slider slide as they continue to earn the car bonus. And this is unlimited. For every 690 points that you collect, you're going to get $50. So the first 690, the second 690, the third 690, and it continues on until you're making $1 million in bonuses if you have enough points. The next one is the Builderall Mansion. You want to make sure that your people learn how to watch to see if they're qualified for that. To qualify, it's super easy. You get 10 people that are level 3 affiliates. You have 50 direct customers. That means customers that you brought in. And then 200 indirect, meaning those are the people that your people have brought in. And I can just about guarantee, I can't specifically guarantee, but I can tell you, if you've got 10 level 3 affiliates, you're going to be getting really close to this 50 and really close to this 200, because they're working because they're level 3, which means they're working to help you bring in this 200. And then you just keep working to keep bringing in those 50. So just keep looking at those stats and teach your people to do the same thing. And then, of course, the uni-level bonuses. These are the bonuses that you get based on the points that you earn. So everything beyond direct sales are going to be influenced by points. And you can keep track of how many active leads, how many affiliates you have, and then the level 1, level 2, and level 3 bonuses that you're going to get. And then also you're going to get some basic statistics and analytics about how many hits you're getting, and then the clicks and the registrations. So this page is the one-stop shopping to understand how your business is growing with Builderall if you're an affiliate. You want to teach people how to look at this page every single day. And quite frankly, you guys, I have a bulletin board, and every single day, the first thing I do is go through here and put my stats on the board. So I look at specifically these stats right here, right? I look at how many active leads I have and how many affiliates I have on every single level. And then I look at the dollar amounts and put that on the board. So I know exactly how many I have in my team, exactly how much money I'm making, so that I can push harder to reach my goal, whatever that goal is. And for me, I'm really excited because every single day that I look at this, my Builderall mansion is ready. I'm actually ready to go to the next Builderall mansion. I'm qualified. So I can tell you, looking at this every single day means it's going to excite your people, even if they're at zeros, because they know which direction they need to go. And they understand that they have to take action for those numbers to change. So this page is really important. The other really neat thing about this page is the top affiliates for the day. And if you scroll down, you're going to be able to keep track of those people that are knocking it out of the park. And this is great. We've got top affiliates of the week, and then we also have top affiliates of all time. So definitely take a look at that and keep track of it, you guys, and show your people how to look at that so that they can see where their target is and they can work towards that target. So that's the dashboard. The next one, and the most important one for affiliates, is the affiliate funnel area. So I'm going to click on that one, and we're going to take a look at the affiliate funnels. And this is where they can get the different affiliate links for different funnels that we have available. So if I scroll down, I've got this funnel right here. This is an absolutely beautiful funnel. And to get the link for it, they just click link for the home page. If they click on there, it will copy that link, and they can actually share that to people. And when those people sign up, they'll get credit for that lead. And if they upgrade, they will earn a commission. And then we've got the 7-day free trial. This is the best converting funnel. So you definitely want to tell them about the 7-day free trial. Then we've got the Builderall 3.0 launch webinar. So if you want to send them to that, you can. The Builderall business page, and then just the registration page for the 7 days. So if you've already talked to somebody and they said, hey, I'm ready, I'm going to sign up for the 7-day free trial, you can actually send them straight to that page. No passing go, no collecting 200. They go straight to the registration page and they can get in. And then you also have the ability to, if you talk to them and they said, hey, I'm ready, I want to sign up for the $69.90 account, you can send them straight to the checkout by getting that link and sending them straight to the $69.90 or the $29.90, whichever one they're going to sign up for. And that way they don't have to go through the sales page. They can go straight to signing up, which is fabulous. And then we've got an exceptional funnel here called the Young Entrepreneurs. And this speaks to the younger generation, the upper teenagers and low 20s. This speaks to them very, very well. So if you've got people that you want to hit in that area, then you use this link. And then the checkout with young entrepreneurs as well. So lots and lots of great resources there. If that's not enough, then you can go into category, and it'll actually have additional categories, including the funnels, the checkouts, and open funnels. So those are great areas to find out what funnels are available. So again, great stuff, great information to give your team to get started. And then the message center, this is another one that you need to know about. If you click on here, sorry, go ahead.
Phoenix again, jumping in here. Just guys, please, as a caveat, do not take that. Shelley, if you can go back to the funnels, affiliate funnel. Do not copy that link directly and put it into social media, guys. Your account will get flagged.
Now, if you connect a domain, you can actually kind of mask all these with your own domain. So in my main account, I actually have Builderall Guru. So all of these are masked with builderallguru.com. And so it looks like it's a completely different domain than builderall.com. So we can actually do that by connecting a domain. Okay, so thank you very much for that, Phoenix. I appreciate it. And then the next area that I want to go into is Message Center, because this is what's going to help you stay connected to your team. So right here, you can actually contact all of your leads. You can contact all of your active leads, meaning they have a paid plan. You can contact all of your inactive leads, however you want to contact them. Or you can search by just one person's name or email. So you can contact all categories of people, specific categories of people, or just one person. And it allows you to send a subject and a message, and then you can actually send a link as well. And you can send them a notification through their notification bar, which is up here. If I click this, you can see that I've got notifications. It can send through Builderall Zap. So if they put their WhatsApp information in there, they'll get it through WhatsApp. If they put their phone number in, they'll get it through SMS text messaging, as long as you put some dollar amount in there for being able to send SMS text messages. And then if they speak in a different language, there's an automatic translation feature. So if they're Italian, it will use Google to actually translate it and send it to them in their own language, which is really cool. And you can also choose to copy a message to yourself so that you can actually keep track of everything that you've been sending to everybody. This is critical in keeping track of your people and sending out messages. And I use the notification thing. I like it. And I also click in here because my people can message me back. All you got to do is scroll down and you'll see a little notice that a person has messaged you, and you can click it and see what their message is when they respond back to you. So it's a fabulous tool to use, and you might as well use it while you got it to keep in touch with your people. The next important area is the weekly webinar. And if you click here, I've actually got it set up so that anytime we go live to Builderall with a live stream, it's going to show up right here. So you guys can see that this is me live now. So you can actually see this live in the weekly webinar area. If I go live and do a random training, you're going to get to see it in there. But basically, it's really used for the Monday trainings, which you guys are definitely on right now. And then you guys can interact right here. And then I try to always keep the last 3 of them right here, the replays, so that you guys can actually watch the replays. So after this video, I will take and juggle them so that July 8th will be right here, July 15th will be right here, and July 22nd will be right here. So you'll always have access to the last 3. And that's really important because sometimes you just can't be there live, so you can watch the replay. Again, this is a critical area that you share with new people that come into Builderall. And that's really, one more thing I want to share, the promotional materials. This is the area that you want to give to your new people as well. It's really important because this is going to have images, banners, presentations, email swipes, and more. So you can find the logo, and you can find the standard colors that Builderall uses. You can find the standard fonts that Builderall uses. You can find some images that you're allowed to use in your websites. You can find Facebook covers that you're allowed to use on your own Facebook page and group. You've got YouTube covers. You've got PowerPoint presentations that you can use to make your own presentations for webinars and presentations. You've got Builderall business card designs that you can use. You've got Facebook and Instagram sample posts that you can use. You've got flyers. I've actually used this when I do live trainings, like at the library and stuff. I use this flyer right here to create my own flyer to put out to advertise. And I put them in all the different places that have like corkboards where you can put business cards and flyers and stuff like that. I went all around town and put my flyers out. And I always get a good result when I do live training. Shared images, you've got lots of those. You've got email swipes. This is another standard question I get is, number 1, how do I get traffic? Number 2, what emails can I use? How do I do an email sequence? Well, guess what? We've got email sequences pre-made for you already. So get them, put your spin, put your personality in there, and put them into MailingBoss and get them connected. And I'll show you how to do that in a minute. Get them connected so that the people that sign up under you get those emails. All right, so that's huge. Corporate videos are there for you. And then you can always keep up with the terms of use right here. So that's another fabulous resource that your new people need to know about. So now let's talk about, if you get those emails ready, how do you get them ready to send out to your new people that signed up? And to do that, all you do is go to your lead area. And inside of leads, you're going to have a neat little area over here called options. You're going to click the down arrow, and then you're going to choose Save Email List. And when you click Save Email List, you're going to choose a subscriber list in MailingBoss. that you want all of your new people to go into so they can get your emails. So you just click the down arrow, choose the appropriate list, and then click save. And they'll be all connected to that subscriber list so they can get your emails automatically when they join. Okay, so that is another one that you want to make sure they know how to do so that when they get ready to sign up people, they can have their own email list going out, introducing them as their sponsor, and also giving them this checklist of how to get started in Builderall. So those are all the main things that I want to show you. I don't think, support is right there and tickets are right there. So you want to make sure that you know how to access support. Another huge thing in Builderall, if I click support, I'm going to go to the support area where it asks me what kind of problems are you having. So I can go through that. So I'm going to click welcome. And there's a bunch of questions right here. It says I made my payment, but my account is not valid. So you can kind of go through here and see if anything fits. If it doesn't fit, then you can do other topics. And then right here, you can actually fill out the support ticket. But the other huge thing that I want you guys to see is right down here in the bottom is Builderall Live Support. If you click that, it's going to open the live support window and you can chat with someone live in the support area. That's huge. Make sure your new people know about that. That's a critical thing to know about, and they need to know that live support is available. Now, obviously, if it's something that is not major, doesn't need to be handled in 2.5 seconds, then you can do a ticket. If you're at your wit's end and you need support to help you and it needs to be live support, then you can do live support. The cool thing is we have the choice in Builderall. So definitely teach them where that live support is. So put that on your check mark, The next one is up here in the top. We've got your profile. You can actually edit your profile information here. And then you've got an accounting report of how many websites you have, email lists, subscribers, et cetera, et cetera. So that's a neat place to keep track of your stats for your account. And then again, the next area is log out. When you log into Builderall, it does not automatically log you out when you close the window. So it's important to educate your users that if they're using a public computer, that they need to click that log out button to completely log out of Builderall so that someone cannot access their account. So understanding the log out button is, again, another item you need on your checkmark list to share with new people when they're coming into Builderall.